Hey there guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel. Now today is a very special day because I'm going to be unboxing this Tah Heuer watch. Now I understand this is something completely different to what I normally do on the channel, but I just want to quickly tell you guys the story behind this watch. Now for many years myself and my mother were massive Formula 1 fans. And every Sunday we would sit down when there was a race on, have a roast dinner, watch the racing with Murray Walker doing all the commentary. And it was always Tah Heuer that was doing all the timing with these races. And my mother always said to me that she wanted to buy me something nice, like a nice watch one day, like a Tah Heuer. But I never agreed for her to do that because I know they're expensive watches, and that's how it was left. Now, sadly, a few months ago, my mother passed away, and I've never been one to be into tattoos or anything like that. And I thought a nice way to remember my mother would be to go out now and purchase one of these watches, which she wanted to do for me. And it's just a way that I can remember the good times with her. So as you can imagine, this watch is going to mean a great deal to me. And this is why I thought I would share this special occasion with you guys and basically just document it. So anyway, tissues at the ready. Let's crack on. So first what we're going to do is take a look at the actual watch itself, and I've also got a little something extra that I was given when I purchased it. So let's lift the lid off, and that reveals the actual main watch box itself, which we just set to the side there. We've got our little instruction booklet there, and in the back of there I've got the warranty card, which I better not show you guys because it's got all the warranty number on it. So let's just move that out of the way and get to the watch itself. So here we go. And there it is. Now it's probably not the best lighting in here at the moment, but I'll do my best to get some close-ups for you guys. So this is what is known as one of their F1 watches. And obviously you can understand why I've gone for one of these. So it's like racing inspired, and a bit hard to see. And there we go, getting light. It's almost like a carbon fibre sort of effect to it. And what attracted me to this one is I like the yellow ring around the outside. Don't really know what to say about watches, to be honest. Obviously, I've never had a watch like this in my entire life, but it is really, really nice and weighty. Let's just take it off its little pouch there. Oh, and I've got some spare links with it as well. So let's just close that up. So we've still got the stickers on it, which I will be taking off in a minute. We've got one on the bottom there as well. So there we go. And might not be to everyone's taste, but I spent a long time looking in the store at this. And the guys in the Tah Heuer boutique were really, really helpful. I told them the story behind it all, and they liked the story. And yeah, they were just really, really helpful and so polite and kind. The whole sort of buy-in and after sales as well. So let me just, I'm rambling on here. I'm getting a bit emotional with it all. But anyway, so if we press this button just there, get that going. As you can see, we've got the second hand going there. We can stop it. Reset as well there. Now you can unscrew this. That is basically just to adjust the time and that. So let me just put it on my wrist, if I can fit it over. and show you guys what it's like. So you've got like a safety clasp thing there that you have to push in to release it. And there we go. That is what it looks like on. And last time I put this on was just trying on in the actual shop. And once I've taken off the stickers, I will actually be wearing it properly. Try not to get it too mucky and that, so sort of keep it for like more best occasions, that sort of thing, not like an every single day use. But yeah, I'm very, very pleased with it. So I think it's time we start peeling off those stickers. So we'll first start off with this one at the bottom of the clasp there. I've already started off because it's a little bit fiddly. I know this is sort of one thing that people like to do when they get new watches, because after you've taken these off, they're officially like second hand then. So there we go, that's it, that's that one done. We've got the Tah Heuer logo there on that clasp. Got another one just under here. There we go. And finally, we have one just on the back of the watch. There we go. If I just show you guys that in there as well. A little bit awkward. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it. There we go, yeah. So you've got the Tah Heuer logo there. And again, that sort of checkerboard, sort of carbon fibre sort of effect there on the back that sort of matches the face of the watch. I love it, absolutely love it. So I'm going to be wearing this with pride to remember my mum. So let's just pop that back in its box then and take a look at the next item that I was gifted by the Tags boutique for purchasing the watch. Now, I didn't even know about these things until I purchased it, and this is what is known as a watch roll. And as you can see, it's got the Tah Heuer logo on it, and all made out of leather. Smells really, really nice. And if we just pop this up, there you go. All this simply is like a cushion that you put your watch around, slip in there, do that back up, and that's for traveling around. So if maybe you want to put it in a suitcase or in a bag, you want to keep it protected, you know, when you're not wearing it, then you've got that, and should help then prevent you getting any scratches or scrapes on your pride and joy. Well, there you have it then, guys. Not my best unboxing to date, but as I said, a little bit emotional this one, so I've had to stop a few times. But anyway, if you have enjoyed this different video today, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please consider doing so. So, thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.